Bismillah. Hello everybody, meet me again in my channel goosespnetsourcecode.com. Okay, don't forget to visit my website goosespnetsourcecode.com that is suitable for beginners. And in this chapter we will try to study about operator AND OR. Okay, before we start, don't forget to visit my goosespnetsourcecode.com. You can try application that I have developed, that is receive payment management system, and also simple receive payment. Okay, you can try the application yourself. Now let's study about AND OR operator. Okay, number one, operator AND. Definition: expression 1 and expression 2 and expression 3 and so on. The statement written true only if all expression 1, 2, 3, h returns true. I repeat, only if all expression 1, 2, 3 and so on returns true. All ya. Okay, for example, task we have to display active administrator user. Okay, let's open our database. Our database that we already created before. We have table admin. Now let's see the data. Okay. Okay. Let's create the data. Okay, I want to display all data. The data in our table. This is our data. In table administrator user. Now our task is to display active administrator user. We have to display active administrator user. We have is active and is admin. Okay, let's check our table. I want to add column is active. USR is active. Data type is bit. And default 0 is admin. Default. Now I save. Okay. Let's check our data. Now I will update the data. Update DBDM user set USR edit IntelliSense refresh. You see, I want to display here USR is active, but the field does not show here. So I have to click this edit IntelliSense refresh local cache. Now it is already here. Is active equal 1. I will update all data. Begin transaction. I will update all data and change the USR is active equal 1. Now let's check the data. Okay, and now I want to update data. Where goes USR equals 1. I want to change this Gus admin to become administrator. Is admin equal 1? Admin equal 1. Okay. And also I want to change administrator for Gus USR2. Okay. Now let's check all data. Okay, we have user admin to user here. Okay. Now let's study about operator and OR. Our task here is to display active administrator user. So the query is where select asterisk from a table item user where USR active equal 1 and equal user admin equal 1. The result will be data with because this data. Okay, let's check. Our data. This is our task. And expression 1 is USR is active equal 1. Expression 2 USR admin equal 1. Now let's select the data. Where display active administrator means that active is true, administrator is true. Where and let's check. We find there are two data here. Administrator active yes 1, admin 1. You see? Only with operator and data will be, the expression will be evaluated as true only if both expressions are true. You see? Let's check all the data. You see? Only if expression 1 true, expression 1 is USR active equals 1. We have two data here. And expression 2 is USR is admin equals 1. We have two data here. So the data that meet these expressions is these two data. Okay. If we see USR3, you see here USR is active equal 1. But is admin equals 0, means that expression 1 is true, but expression 2 is false. And while with an operator, only data with both expression will be evaluated as true. You see? This is true. And this is true. Only data with these two expression true will be displayed. This is how expression end. Let's find another example. Display active administrator user with user start with Gus. Okay, this is our task. Let's check expression 1. USR admin equals 1. USR active. Expression 2 is just the same. USR admin equals 1. And start with Goose. Expression 3. USR ID like Goose. Now we see our task is to display data that meet all these expression. So we have to use N. Select asterisk from tbadm user where USR is active equal 1 and USR is admin equal 1 and USR ID like Goose. Okay. Now the data that will be displayed will meet all of this expression. Let's check. See, only data with Goose USR1. Now let's compare with the whole data. Data number 1, USR active equal 1, USR is admin equal 1, USR ID like Goose. So this data meet all of these three expression. Data USR2, we see USR active is 1, true. USR is admin is true, 1. But the USR ID does not start with Goose. So this data will not be displayed. Let's see data number 3. USR active is 1, correct. But USR is admin 0. So this data will not displayed. Also data number 4. USR active is 1. USR is admin is 0. So the data number 4 does not meet these three expression because the is admin must be 1. And now data number 5 as the same. USR active is 1. USR admin is 0. So this data number 5 will not displayed also. And just like the same, the data number 6 will not displayed because one of these three criteria does not meet. Okay, this is maybe a little tricky, but I think with many practices you will be get used to it. This is not very difficult. Okay, now let's study about operator OR. Unlike operator AND, where only true and the statement return true only if all expressions returns true. Operator OR, the statement return false only if all expressions return false. So if all the expressions return true, then the statement return true. If even one of the all expressions return true, then the statement will return true. Let's see. Display active user or administrator user. This is our task. Okay, our task is to display active user, or maybe our task is display active user, also display administrator user. We have to display active user and also we have to display administrator user. This is our task. So our expression number 1 is active equal 1. Expression 2, USR admin equal 1. Now let's create the query where USR is active. This is our expression. Or USR admin equals 1. Let's check. Taram. Let's see how the expression. Okay, now let's check our data. Data number 1. Active equal 1, true. Admin equal 1, true. So, data number 1 will be displayed. Okay. Now, data number 2. Active equal 1, admin equal 1. So, both of them is true, means that data number 2 will be displayed. Let's see data number 3. Okay, I'm sorry, maybe I have to make it more clear. I will make this data number 5 to become not active. Okay. Update, set USR is active equal 0, where USR ID equal 5. I'm sorry. Here you use USR equal 5. Okay, let's see. Our query will return 5 data. Let's check our evaluation. Data number 1 is active equal 1, means true. Is admin 1, true. So this data number 1 will be displayed. Let's see data number 2. Is active 1, is admin 1. Both of them are true, means this data will be displayed. Data number 3. Is admin 1, is active 1, is admin 0. Remember that the statement will return false only if all of the expression return false. You see, this is active, true. Is admin equals 1, false. True and false becomes true. So data number 3 will be displayed. Let's see data number 4. Is admin 1, mean this expression is written true. Is admin equals 0, means that expression written false. True and false will become true. So the data number 4 will be displayed. Data number 5. USR active is 0. The request is USR active equal 1. Means that for this data, statement 1 return false. Is admin 0? This data also return false. Means that data number 5 will not be displayed. Data number 6. Is active 1? Is admin 0? Means this is true. This is false. True and false return true. True or false returns true. Means that data number 6 will be displayed. Now let's run our query. You see, that only data number 5 will not be displayed because only data number 5 that both of expression are false. Okay. Now let's get another example. Our task is to display Goose USR 11. Okay. Or also data with Goose. Okay. Means expression 1. Goose USR 11. Goose USR 15. Okay. Now let's check our data. There are 6 data. Let's see. Where is Goose USR 11? There is no Goose USR 11. And also there is no Goose USR 15. Now let's run. There will be no data displayed. You see, there will be no data displayed because there are no data that meet or all of this expression. And now let's see another example. Display our task is display user ID start with SU. Also username start with MO or username start with TO. Expression 1, Goose user ID like SU%. Expression 2, USR name USR ID. Name like Mo. Expression number 3, Tio. Okay. This is now our query where Goose USR equal start with like SU or username like MO or expression T or username like Tio. Now let's check our data. Okay, let's see. USR number 1, USR like SU? No. USR name like MO? No. USR name like Tio? No. Means that all these 3 expression does not meet in data number 1. Data number 1 will not be displayed. Now let's see data number 2. User ID like SU? Yes. Username like MO? No. USRM like Tio? No. Means that first expression return true, second false, the third false. This data number 2 will be displayed. Data number 3, user ID SU? Yes. USR name like MO? No. USR name like like Tio? No. This return true, false, false. this data number 3 will be displayed. Remember, for expression OR, the statement return false only if all expression return false. Okay, data number 2 and 3 will be displayed. Now let's see data number 4. Mamat. User ID like SU? No. Username like MO? Yes. Username like Theo? No. This is false. Username like MO? True. Data number 4 will be displayed. Now let's see data number 5. User ID like SU? No. Username like MO? No. User name like Theo? Yes. This return true. The data number 5 will be displayed. Data number 6. User ID like SU? No. Username like MO? No. Username like Theo? No. Data number 6 will not be displayed. Now let's run this query. Execute. The data number 2, 3, 5, and 4 will be displayed. You see, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be displayed. Data number 1 and number 6 does not meet even one of these three expressions. Okay, this is about operator OR. Now let's see operator combination. Combination of AND OR with more than 2 expressions. The easiest way for more than 2 expressions is by using bracket. Expression within bracket are evaluated first. Okay. Now this is our task. Display active administrator user. Also username start with more. Okay, expression 1 active. Expression 2 is admin. Start with more. Expression number 3, username start with MO. The query is where since active administrator means these two expression must be met. So and admin or okay. Now let's see our data. Okay, taram. Let's see. User active 1 and user admin 1. In this, user admin active and admin equal 1 must be met, both of them. So the evaluation process will be like this. And then where the second evaluation process is like this. Okay. Equal 1, there are 2. Like more, there are 2. So if we run the combination of these 3 expressions, the data will return 3 records. Let's see. This is from the expression 1 and 2, and this is from expression number 3. Okay, I repeat. Let's see this data. USR active 1, USR admin 1. Only these two data will be met. Okay. and also username like Mo. Only this data meet this username like Mo. So only these two data number 1, 2, and 4 will be displayed. Let's check the data. Okay. Now let's check our next example. Our task is active administrator user, also username start with MO or SU. Nah. Expression 1, USR active equal 1, USR is admin equal 1. Now, expression number 4. So this is our query. Or give it bracket. Okay, let's check our data. What the expression evaluation process number 1, this is, and number 2, okay. Let's check our data. Evaluation process number 1 is active 1, is admin 1. Only these two data. Evaluation process number 1 will return these two data. Username MO or username SU will return this username 1, 2, and 3. Okay, let's see. Our first, return to record. Our second expression, there are 3 records. Now let's combine. Taram! I hope this is enough and a good start for you to practice. We have to practice a lot for data manipulation or data selection. Okay, there is no easy way to be a programmer, so we have to practice a lot. Okay, everybody, I hope that this chapter is not too difficult and easily to be understood. So, and let's meet again in our next video. And the last time, don't forget to visit my website, that is gusaspnetsourcecode.com. Okay, everybody, thank you very much, and meet me again in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.